My dad didn't loan me the car.
What? You didn't steal it, did you?
No, my mom gave me the keys, but it's my dad, you know? He doesn't trust me with anything. I was hoping he'd finally be ready to see me as a real person. It's always Don, car, everything else, me.
I know how you feel. My mom can get pushy too, but she still cares. I'm sure your dad cares too. There's no way this is more important to him than your happiness.
Where's my car? It's the most important thing to me! Where's Rigby? You seen Rigby? I'm his father! He's the grown adult who goes to school! Useless! Where's Rigby?
You let a homeless guy in here.
I'm his father! I'm his father! Where's Rigby?
Rigby was here?
I give him all his credits and I still can't get rid of him! I can't stand him!
So, do you like prom?
Where's Rigby? I'm gonna kill him!
Please be careful. This is my dad's suit. He cherishes it. But he let me borrow it just for tonight because he really, really loves me.
You're not making any sense! Where's my son?
I think the guys went to Lookout Mountain.
Take me there.